Hi, my name is Larissa, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create billing installment plans for your payers. An installment plan is a payment plan in which a payer can pay off your tuition or another amount over several installments. When enrolling an account in a plan, invoices will be created for each installment and will be sent to the payer on scheduled dates. Plans and the invoices created within them are fully customizable. To use our installment plan feature, go to your billing section on your site and down to installment plans. You may have to walk through a setup guide first if you haven't used the billing feature yet, but once you're through that setup guide, all of this navigation will be available to you. Click Add Installment Plan, and then you can name it whatever you would like. Remember, you can create as many installment plans as you need. Then let's say my regular tuition of $10,000 a year needs to be spread out over, let's say, 9 monthly installments for most of my payers. I could also select weekly installments and let's say make it 34 weeks. But I'm going to go back to monthly. Let's make this easier and make it 10 monthly installments of $1,000. And I'm going to have it be due on the first day of each month. And it's going to start at the beginning of my semester on September 1st. Now I'm going to set this to be paid manually because I won't have the payment information for all of my payers saved. And I'm going to set that I want an invoice email to go out 7 days before it is due. And I'm going to do custom payment options. I'll do my school payment options and I'll create. So I have this installment plan. Over here under this tab are the details that I just filled out, and I can edit these at any time. But I land in my enrolled, and I need to enroll accounts into this plan. So I have 2 accounts in my billing so far. I'm going to select the account that I want to enroll. And then if I would like, I could tweak the details of this plan for this account. I could keep it the same, or I could customize it just for this account. Let's say they need a little longer to pay this. I could spread it out over 12 months instead of 10. And then I hit create. These are all of the invoices that will be created for this account using this installment plan. So I need to check these. Now, let's say, I'm going to cancel this and I'm going to redo it. Let's say that I actually ask them to pay the first invoice on June 1st of this year. Right now it's toward the end of June. So let's see what happens with this. Select an account to enroll, hit create. This will give me a notification that the program, Spark, is going to send an invoice email immediately because this first invoice was due back on June 2nd, and the second invoice is coming due within 7 days of now. So they're going to be sending those emails immediately. If I'm okay with that, I can commit to the changes. And here's all of the invoices that were created for this account. Now I can create another, enroll another account into this plan. Let's say I want to keep it the way it is. I hit create. Everything looks good. Commit to the changes. And now here's my second account enrolled into this installment plan. Now I can at any time open up one of these invoices and edit any of the details in that invoice. So let's say I'm going to add a discount to this invoice of $100. Then I can save this, and that invoice will be $900 instead of $1,000. Or I can select all of the invoices in the plan for that account, or even all of the invoices on this page, and I can edit them in bulk. Now I can't do everything with this, but I can change the status let's say all of these are going to be void now. I just need to get rid of them. Or I can shift the due date, or I can shift when I want the first email to be sent, or what the payment options need to be. And confirm changes to 20 invoices. Now it will show me all of the changes that will be made. I'm voiding all of these invoices. Commit to these changes, and now you can see that they are all void. So that is how installment plans work. Thanks for watching. We have other tutorial videos demonstrating the other parts of our billing features, so check them out if you have any other billing questions.